Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I am going to show you how to disable startup program on Windows 10. In this screen you can see there are some program are running and my Windows are start. This application automatically start with this when I am starting my Windows. Abro, Internet Download Manager, Defender and some others program. So now you can stop this application when you will set up your Windows. Just click on your taskbar right side, task manager, and you can see this program are running currently. Now go to the startup. You can see there are some file. These application are automatic start when my Windows start up. So I can now disable this application. Just click on this and select the file and click on the disable. You can see all are disabled. You can also re-enable again by click on the enable option. So you may understand how to control startup program. Thanks for watching my video.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.